We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve's Magic Mask feature. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project you want to work on. Head over to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, find the clip you want to apply the Magic Mask to, and make sure it's selected in the timeline. You'll see a set of tools on the right side of the screen. Look for the Magic Mask icon, which looks like a person with a magic wand. Click on it to activate the Magic Mask tool. Now, to start masking, choose either the person or object mode depending on what you want to isolate. For instance, use person for human subjects and object for things like cars or furniture. With the mode selected, draw a quick stroke over the area or object you want to isolate. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the clip frame by frame and create a mask around your selection. You can refine the mask by adjusting the settings such as denoise and blur radius found in the inspector panel. These adjustments help in smoothing out edges and reducing any noise around the mask. Once you're satisfied with the mask, you can track it throughout the clip by clicking the Track Forward or Track Backward button. This ensures the mask follows the subject as it moves. If you need to make further adjustments, use the ADD and delete stroke options to refine your selection. Finally, you can apply color grading or other effects specifically to the masked area by adding nodes in the node editor. This gives you a lot of creative control over how your final video looks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.